All right, everybody, welcome back to Better Western Mass here on this Monday afternoon and Better Products time. If you're looking to keep sugar out of the kids' Easter baskets this year, we do have some toys you can replace candy with. Still having some fun. Our toy insider, Charlene Deloach, joins us now with some toys that are on the top of people's minds. Charlene, I always love our segment. So a sugar-free Easter, pitch me.
So the first one is Words Over Easy from Winnie Moves. And one of the reasons why I picked this is because it's egg themed. So it's perfect for Easter basket. But it's also a really fun game too. So how you play is you have this egg shaped letter dice. You put it in the chute, it comes out into a tray that's either a good egg or a bad egg. And you have to make words based on the good egg, and none of the letters in the bad egg tray can be used. And there's other ways to play, but it's just a really fun game for the whole family and a great themed game for Easter baskets.
Yeah, I like that. And Words Over Easy, that's a good, pun intended, I'm guessing, there with the eggs. What else you got for the folks?
So next we have Squeaky Minis from Moose Toys. So these are mini interactive balloon pets. And what's really fun is you pet them, and then you can press the nose and speak, and it repeats what you say. Happy Easter in helium. And when you blow in the nose, it pops.
I like it right there. I like it right there. And you're improvising, Charlene, which is even more fun. And everybody has to do with toys. So what else you got? It looked like you were looking down at another.
Yep, so one of my favorites. So this is the Tumbler Crafts from Purple Ladybug.
Okay.
Comes with 3 different templates that basically kids color. So it's sort of plain, and then you can see I kind of did some of the coloring there. So it's a really great, gift for kids to have that they can help create and make themselves. So it's sort of a 2-in-1 gift that's great for an Easter basket.
Yeah, so many people nowadays are talking about cutting down on the plastic use. So you get the tumbler right there. Yeah, 2 birds, 1 stone. Pretty neat, Charlene. What else do you have?
So you can get the little kids, right? So 6 months and old and up. This is Dizzy Bees from Fat Brain Toys. I love it because it's perfect for springs, little bees and little honeycomb, and it's magnetic steppers. There we go, right there. Kids can just stack on top, and it's a great educational toy for this age group and cute in an Easter basket.
Well, that's one thing your toys always seem to have. There's an educational aspect to it without sacrificing too much fun. And as you see there, we got the video playing. This kid looks like he's just having the time of his life, right?
Exactly. As a mom, it's kind of hard to not think about the educational components of toys too.
Yeah, exactly. Good stuff there. So Dizzy Bees. What else do you have? You have anything else?
Yeah, so we have Ryan's World Super Spy Egg from Bonkers Toys. This is the micro version. So as you can see, it would fit perfectly inside an Easter basket. It's also shaped like an egg, which makes it even more fun for an Easter basket. And there's tons of spy type Ryan's World items in here for any super fan.
Oh, cool. So it kind of bursts open. And I know sometimes with these, depending on which one you get, you'll get a different outcome. Is that the case with this, or are they all the same? Do you know?
Yeah, there's tons of unboxing experiences inside the egg. So not only do kids get to open it, but they also get to, have a mini Easter egg hunt inside the egg itself as they find what's inside.
Like it. Yeah, unboxing. That's the term I was looking for. Very cool. Very good. How do you top all this? Do you have anything else?
So, one of the biggest trends for Easter baskets this year is obviously hand sanitizer and face masks. So on that theme, though, I love this. This is 20-second soap from We Cool Toy. Even comes in this really cool keychain that everyone can carry around with them. But it comes in a tablet, right? And then you put in your hands with water, and you have to keep washing your hands until the tablet disappears. And then your hands are the color of the soap that you have, and you have to rinse your hands until the color disappears. So it's a sneaky way to get kids to focus on proper hygiene.
Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't want to be the guy walking back into the classroom with pink hands. I'd have to be like, all right, I'm going back in. They're going to make fun of me for that. So speaking of 20 seconds, I got 20 seconds to go in my ear a few seconds ago. Do you have anything else, or where should viewers go as it relates to getting their hands on this stuff?
Yeah, so we have tons of fun things, like even this glam, Crush It Girls, and more Easter basket items at thetoyinsider.com. So we'll definitely get you ready for Easter as soon as you head to the website.
Oh, totally. And I know we're going to have stuff throughout the year, too. So folks are always got to check out our Toy Insider segment. Charlene Deloach, she knows her stuff. Thank you so much for coming on today. Hope you have a great rest of the one, okay?
You too. Happy Easter.
Take care.